Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will install Node.js. Open browser and search Node.js and open official website of Node.js and download the Node.js setup. After downloading, install this setup and open cmd and write here command node -v. This command checks the node install in our system. After that, when we install Node.js, that time npm install automatically. Write command npm -v. npm is also successfully installed in our system. In this way we can install Node.js in our system. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.